Hey, good morning, everyone, and we welcome to today's webinar. We're delighted to have you with us as we continue our exploration of Zoho WorkDrive's application across various industries. So in a previous session, we provided an overview of how WorkDrive can be utilized across different sectors. And on today's webinar, we'll be focusing specifically on the manufacturing industry, demonstrating how WorkDrive can streamline back office operations to maximize profitability. So I'm Vignesh, a product expert for Zoho WorkDrive, and I'm thrilled to be hosting today's webinar. Joining me is Jennifer, and together we'll walk you through everything you need to know about WorkDrive and how it can transform the way you manage files and collaborate. So we have an exciting session ahead, packed with insights, live demo, and best practices to help you make the most of WorkDrive. So let's get started. So we'll cover various stages of product lifecycle and demonstrate how WorkDrive features can be applied to each phase, ultimately driving profitability in your manufacturing process. Also, no worries if you missed any part of today's session, as we will be sending the recorded webinar to your registered emails, so you can revisit it anytime or you can share it with your colleagues. You can also check out a previous session on the WorkDrive recorded webinar page for more insights on a previous webinar. So here is the agenda for today's session. So we will be delving into real-world application for PLM within the manufacturing sector, highlighting how it enhances efficiency and innovation. So yes, let's embark on this journey to deepen our understanding of the manufacturing product lifecycle and discover effective PLM strategies. So here is a brief outline of typical stages in the product lifecycle. So it can start with product idea generation, feasibility study, or it can be a supplier selection, manufacturing resource planning, product maintenance, product phase-out, and product retirement, or even recycling or disposals. So aligning with the product lifecycle, we'll explore how Zoho WorkDrive enhances back office operation in the manufacturing industry. Also, streamlining workflows, improving document management, and driving profitability.
Thank you, Vignesh, for the great start for this webinar. So today in this session, we'll be diving into how each stage of the product lifecycle in the manufacturing industry is effectively managed using Zoho WorkDrive. We'll also explore how WorkDrive helps streamline collaboration, document management, and workflow optimization across all phases that Vignesh just previously mentioned, which is from initial product idea generation to final product retirement. Let's take a closer look at how WorkDrive supports each and every stage of the product lifecycle. So first in line we have is the product idea generation and feasibility study. At the beginning of a product's lifecycle, it's crucial to have a centralized space where you and your team can collaborate together and store ideas. With Zoho WorkDrive, you can easily set up a team folder to house all product ideas in one place, ensuring everyone has access to the latest contributions and documents. So let me quickly take you to the WorkDrive platform, and here you can quickly create a team folder by clicking the small plus icon. So here you can give a name to the team folder, and you can also select a team folder to be a public or a private team folder. Once created, you can start adding members, and while adding them, you can also give them roles like viewer, commenter, editor, organizer, or admin. So if in case you want to share sensitive information, it stays secure while promoting seamless collaboration. These features help streamline the process of generating and evaluating product ideas, setting the stage for successful product development journey. Next in line is the business case development and concept design phase, where Zoho WorkDrive offers powerful tools to enhance collaboration and streamline workflows. You can easily work with CAD files by using Zoho WorkDrive's Genie and also our desktop application, which is available for WorkDrive, which allows you to access and collaborate on designing files seamlessly across different devices. You can also leverage Zia, Zoho's own AI assistant, to help with content and image generation, making it easier to create engaging presentations and documents for your business case. Followed with that, you can also stay updated with real time notifications where you can simply enable follow updates and unread notifications. Adding to that, in each team folder, there is a dedicated tab called the activity. So here you'll be able to monitor all the action that has taken place in this particular team folder. You can also make use of this drop down, or you can also export this complete activity report as a CSV file. But if you're not okay with tracking the activity from the activity tab, you can also start following a particular file or a folder. When you start following important files, you can select where you want to be notified via whether the in-house within the WorkDrive application or in your email inbox. And if there is any changes done to the file or a folder, you will be notified in the selected platform. So this combination of features will help your team work more efficiently and keep everyone aligned during the business case development and concept design stages. Next is the manufacturing industry, which manages the bill of materials BOM and overseeing engineering change management ECM, which are the critical tasks that require meticulous attention to detail. Zoho WorkDrive offers robust features to streamline these processes effectively. The first is the version control. As engineering changes are inevitable in product development, WorkDrive's version control feature allows you to maintain a comprehensive history of the document revisions. So, how you can check the versions? You can go to any file, your preferred file. You can go to the properties tab, and here you'll be able to see the list of versions, meaning that the changes that you made over time. And by default, the latest version will be the top version, and you can also restore any preferred version as the top version. You can also save any specific version as a new file. And while uploading a new version, you can also add notes for any reference. In such way, you get to maintain your crucial documents with accuracy and consistency in ECM processes that let the teams to manage BOM and ECM processes with greater precision and control, ultimately contributing to improved operational efficiency and product quality. So next we have is the data templates, where you can leverage Zoho WorkDrive's data templates and labels to help you categorize and organize your manufacturing documents systematically. In WorkDrive, you can categorize your documents using labels, where you can create these categories and tag your documents to the specific category. So in this way, you get to quickly access your preferred documents easily. But here, labels are for your personal use. For collaborative use, your admins can create the data templates from the admin console, where you can create these different data templates. And for example, I've created a data template called project management, and using the custom field types here, I've created two custom fields, one called as project completion by using the date custom field, and the other one is called as project status by using the choice custom field, where I've given the options as initial, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing. Once the data template is created, your team members can select the file and associate it with the relevant data template and add the values to the fields. So this behaves something similar to adding metadata to your files, but it's not automatically assigned, but you're adding custom field values to the file. So when this is going to be useful? So when you're trying to search for a specific file, you can select data templates, select the respective data template that you want to search. Further, you can also add a criteria, and based on this condition that you have selected, the documents will be narrowed down and will be displayed as search results. So in this way, this structured approach minimizes errors and enhances efficiency in managing complex product data. Next is the supplier selection, MRP, and mass production, which is streamlining with Zoho WorkDrive. In manufacturing, staying on top of supplier selection, manufacturing resources, resource planning, and mass production is key to smooth operations. With WorkDrive's workflow automation and webhooks, you can ensure real-time updates and faster decision making at every stage. So how you can create a workflow in WorkDrive? So the admins can come here to the admin console. They can create a review or an approval or a review and approval workflow. Once created, using the custom fields, you can create workflow fields, and then you can design the workflow and you can send the workflow for review. Post which you can also create webhooks by connecting WorkDrive with external application, where if in case any action is done in WorkDrive, if you want to be notified and be updated about the action, you can select your external app, and that is going to be your destination place where you're going to receive the notifications. So here you're going to select here you're going to give the endpoint URL. You're going to select the webhook event, on what such events you want to be notified, the location in which you want to be notified, and once this is configured, you whenever the action of file is being shared or a folder is being shared, you will be receiving notification in the app that you have selected. So here, instead of manually tracking supplier codes or setting up WorkDrive's review or approval workflows to streamline the process, plus with webhooks, your team gets an instant notification when a supplier submits a code, allowing procurement teams to review and approve it without a delay. Planning resources efficiently requires quick action, and WorkDrive lets you to set up a review and approval workflow for MRP related documents. Once approved, webhooks automatically notify stakeholders, ensuring the latest plans are shared with the right teams without the need for follow-ups. Once production documents are finalized and approved, webhooks trigger alerts to the production team, signaling that everything is ready to move forward. This cuts down communication gaps and ensures mass production starts without unnecessary delays. With WorkDrive's workflow automation and webhook integration, manufacturing teams can automate approvals, staying updated in real time and boost efficiency, keeping everything smooth from supplier selection to full scale production. Next, we have is organizing marketing and sales documents efficiently. Zoho WorkDrive acts as a central hub for all your marketing and sales documents. With dedicated team folders, you can neatly store marketing strategies, sales plans, campaign materials, and distribution outlines organized by region, campaign, or product. This makes it easy for your team to find the right files, instantly keeping workflows smooth and efficient. If in case you need to share marketing materials or sales proposals with clients or partners, WorkDrive's secure sharing options let you to send files via password protected links, ensuring confidentiality while making collaboration seamless. So to share a file, you can go to your preferred team folders, select a file or a folder, and you'll be able to see the share button. So here you can simply add your end user's email address, give them an access level, and share the document with them. If in case you want to create a public external share link, you can give a name to the link. You can select your preferences on setting passwords, expiration dates, the ability to download, or you can also ask for their name, phone, or email, and then you can create a link which can simply be copy pasted and shared with your end users, or you can also email the link to them. Post which, a well organized knowledge base is also essential for efficient customer support. With WorkDrive, you can also store technical manuals, troubleshooting guides, and FAQs in a structured way, so your team can access critical information instantly. Plus, by tagging and categorizing feedback files, you can quickly spot and address customer concerns, improving service quality. By integrating WorkDrive with Zoho Desk as shown in this screenshot, support agents can attach and share files directly from WorkDrive within support tickets. This ensures that all relevant documents are at fingertips, speeding up issue resolution and improving customer interactions. With WorkDrive, your marketing, sales, and support teams can stay organized, collaborate securely, and work more efficiently, all from a single platform. Next in line is the in product maintenance and phase out stages of the manufacturing lifecycle. Effective document management is crucial. And here's how WorkDrive can enhance these processes right from your mobile app of WorkDrive, available for both Android and Apple devices. You can keep the product manuals in a dedicated team folder and enable field technicians to access critical files anytime, anywhere using mobile devices. You can also automate document review and approval processes for maintenance checklist. You can also organize and share inventory clearance, phase out plans, and sales reports in the team folder. As the product reaches the final stages of their life cycle, that is the retirement and support, recycling, and disposal, keeping track of regulatory compliance and documentation is crucial. Zoho WorkDrive helps simplifying these processes. Many industries are moving from paper to digital documents, and WorkDrive makes this transition effortless. With just a few clicks, you can scan physical documents using the Zoho WorkDrive mobile app and save them as JPEG or PDF files. On the web, we have an option in each team folder where you can upload files via email. So, this unique email address is populated for each team folder, and users can simply use the scanner device to scan the documents and send it as an email to WorkDrive using this email address. And those scanned documents are going to drop in the folder location that you have selected here. In such way, you get to easily digitize your documents right from your WorkDrive app. Followed by that, WorkDrive also automatically generates detailed activity reports. So from the WorkDrive account, the admins can track the activity right from here, where they'll be able to utilize these filters to track any specific activities for the entire WorkDrive account. And these logs provide a clear record of document access, modifications, and approvals, which are essential for smooth audits and submissions.
Hey, thank you so much, Jennifer, for providing wonderful insights about how WorkDrive feature can be useful for the PLM platform. So thank you so much. We truly appreciate you taking the time to join us on our today's webinar session. And we hope this session gave you practical insights into how Zoho WorkDrive can make a real impact in your industry. So also please note, we are hosting these webinars every month covering new industries and features each time. So don't miss our next webinar and keep an eye out for updates. In case if you have any more questions or you need anyone to walk you through with a specific feature, please feel free to reach out to us, support. And you can reach us support from support@zohoworkdrive.com. And we also have 24/7 live chat support and 24/5 call support. So thank you so much again, everyone, for joining the session. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, and bye-bye.